Wan Chan from SMJK Songhua, Kolakangsa. Now in this video, we still learn 4.2 Surds under Form 4 syllabus, Chapter 4 Indices, Surds and Logarithm. Now the learning standard in this video is number 1, simplify expression involving surd by rationalizing the denominators. Second, solve problems involving surds. Okay, so how to rationalizing the denominators for the expression involving surds? For the first case, expression with 1 over m square root a, we will multiply the numerator and denominator with the conjugate surd square root a, so that the surd can be eliminated from the denominator. Okay, for the second case, 1 over m square root a plus n square root b, we will multiply with conjugate surd m square root a minus n square root b. For the third case, 1 over m square root a minus n square root b, we will multiply with conjugate surd m square root a plus n square root b. Okay, let's see the example how to simplify 1 plus square root 3 over 1 minus square root 3. So the denominator have the surd 1 minus square root 3. So we times the conjugate 1 plus square root 3 for both numerator and denominator. Okay, so 1 times 1, 1. Square root 3 times square root 3, 3. 1 times square root 3 equals to square root 3. Square root 3 times 1, square root 3. And the denominator is 1 minus 3. By using a minus b, a plus b equals to a square minus b square. Okay, so we have 1 plus 3 equals to 4. Square root 3 plus square root 3, similar surd, so we can add up, become 2 square root 3. 1 minus 3 equals to negative 2. So simplify 4 divided by negative 2, negative 2. 2 surd 3 divided by negative 2 becomes negative surd 3. So the answer after simplify equals to negative 2, negative surd 3. Okay, example 7. Now write this expression as a single fraction. So 1 with denominator 1 plus square root 3. So the conjugate surd is 1 minus square root 3. And another is with the denominator 1 minus square root 3. So we times the conjugate surd 1 plus square root 3 over 1 plus square root 3. So we explain 5 times 1, 5, 5 times negative surd 3, negative 5 surd 3. So surd 7 times 1, surd 7. Surd 7 times negative surd 3, negative surd 21. And then 4 times 1, 4. 4 times surd 3, 4 surd 3. Negative surd 7 times 1, negative surd 7. Negative surd 7 times surd 3, negative surd 21. So we group number 5 plus 4 equals to 9. Negative 5 surd 3 plus 4 surd 3, negative surd 3. Plus surd 7 minus surd 7, no more. Negative surd 21 minus negative surd 21 equals to negative 2 surd 21. And denominator is 1 minus 3. Okay, so 1 minus 3 is negative 2. So because the denominator we don't want negative, so we will times the 9 become negative 9, negative become positive, negative become positive. So the answer becomes negative 9 plus surd 3 plus 2 surd 21 over 2. Okay, and then we see problems involving surd. Example 8. The diagram on the right shows a pyramid-shaped house. The triangle shape at the front of the house has an area of 20 surd 3 minus 4 meters square, and the length of its base is 4 plus 4 surd 3 meter. Determine the height of the triangle at the front of the house in the form of a plus b surd 3, where a and b are rational numbers. Okay, so we see the solution. By using the formula of area of triangle, half times base times the height equals to 20 sub 3 minus 4. Okay, so half times 4 equals to 2. Half times 4 sub 3 equals to 2 sub 3. Okay, and then we shift the bracket to the right hand side. Okay, and then we times the conjugate 2 minus 2 sub 3 because the denominator have 2 plus 2 sub 3. Okay, and then we multiply 20 sub 3 times 2, 40 sub 3. 20 sub 3 times negative 2 sub 3. So 20 times negative 2, negative 40. Sub 3 times sub 3, 3. Negative 40 times 3, negative 120. Negative 4 times 2, negative 8. Negative 4 times negative 2 sub 3 becomes 8 sub 3. Okay, and then the denominator 2 times 2, 4. 4 minus 4 times 3. So 4 minus 12 equals to negative 8. So negative 120 minus 8 equals to negative 128. 40 sub 3 plus 8 sub 3 with the similar sub. So add up becomes 48 sub 3 divided by negative 8. So simplify, negative 1 to 8 divided by negative 8 is 16. 48 sub 3 divided by negative 8 becomes negative 6 sub 3. So the height of the triangle part at the front of the house is 16 minus 6 sub 3 meter. Okay, example 9. So solve x minus 4 square root x plus 3 equals to 0. So this one we can factorize. Okay, x we can write as square root x times square root x. Okay, 3 is 1 times 3. So negative 1 square root x, negative 3 square root x becomes negative 4 square root x. So we have square root x minus 3 equals to 0, or square root x minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, so square both sides. Square root x squared equals to x. 3 squared equals to 9. Square root x squared equals to x. 1 squared equals to 1. So here we have the answer 9 and 1. Okay, so this is the example for problems. Okay, that's all. Thank you.